Hey, this is Warren Redlick. Big news for Lucid Motors. CEO Peter Rawlinson just sold $180 million in Lucid stock, reducing his stake in the company from about 30% to about 22%. This is huge news. This is not a sign of confidence of the CEO in this company. Are you ready to see the details? Let's go. I saw something about this on Twitter this morning, and I looked, search for, you can search for insider trading for any company. So I searched for LCID insider trading, and it didn't show up on the normal website. So whatever happened has not translated yet into Yahoo Finance and the other websites that track insider trading. But then I went to the Lucid website. This is the Lucid, it's ir.lucidmotors.com. And you can click and you can read. And by the way, they always hit you with this cookie message. Like, no matter how many times you're on the site, they hit you with the same cookie message over and over again. Really annoying. So here's the SEC filing. You can see Peter Rawlinson, we all know is the CEO of Lucid Motors. You can see that it's Lucid Group, and you can see here the sales that Rawlinson, one sale was 466,000 shares, or 466,751 shares. The next sale was 7.5 million shares. If you add that up, it's about 8 million shares. The share price was $22.63 or $22.63. By my calculation, that's $180 million in Lucid stock. He sold $180 million worth of stock. That is pretty amazing. That is a big sell-off of his holding of the company. For context, there was a previous deal where, you can see this is Investors Observer reporting what's going on with Lucid Motors. The company repurchased shares from Rawlinson and some other insiders. That happened at $24 a share. And I think at that point, I think Rawlinson got about $4 million when this was done. I don't remember the precise details of that story, but that's what happened there. I think you have to ask yourself, what does this mean? A common thing, I've already seen the criticisms on Twitter. Oh, Elon Musk sold stock in Tesla also, because anything that happens, you have to somehow trace it back to Elon. Yes, Elon did sell billions of dollars worth of shares of Tesla stock, but he also acquired more stock through options and ended up with a higher share of ownership in Tesla when he was done than before. Rawlinson here has just sold roughly a quarter of his ownership of the company. He sold $180 million in stock. If he thought Lucid was going to double, triple, 10x from where it is now, would you sell $180 million in stock if you thought it was going to 10x? This would turn, this is over $1 billion in stock if this company 10x's. This is almost $2 billion in stock if the company 10x's. This is not a sign of his belief in the success of the company. Fundamentally, now, is it a smart and practical decision for a rational employee? A lot of people diversify their portfolios when they get success in a company. They sell off some of their ownership in the company and they diversify and buy other stocks, or they buy other assets. Sure, a lot of people in this position sell off some to be able to afford their lifestyle. But $180 million, what is it? You know, he's going to have a huge tax hit from this, of course, but okay, so he's left with $100 million when he's done. What does he need $100 million for when he could have had $180 million in Lucid stock? This is a sign he does not think this company is going to succeed. I don't know how else you can see it. He does not, if he thought the company was going to succeed, if he thought the company was going to grow dramatically, if he thought the market cap of the company was going to go up a lot, he would be holding his stock. He would be holding as much of his stock as he could. He might sell off a little to be able to pay for certain things, but to sell off as much as he sold is an indication he's not fully committed to the company. He doesn't fully believe in the company's success. That's it. It's a short bit of news. I don't have a lot more to say about it. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Check out the Lucid Q t-shirt and all the other t-shirts at elonbits.com. Check out my other videos. Support this channel on Patreon, Locals, and as a YouTube channel member. And thank you so much for watching.